Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm a free motion embroidery and mixed media artist from the northeast of England. Today I'm going to show you a quick overall haul of my studio, show you how I have transformed it. Um, I didn't really put any before photos in because if you watch my Instagram, you will have seen how my studio looked before. Um, Basically, I had an old pawn cutting table, which was amazing, and I did get from a charity shop, but it just wasn't quite working for me anymore. So my husband and I took two Kallax units, and we've made a nice big cutting island, which doubles up for my pressing, and it's absolutely amazing. It's just perfect. So I'm going to show you the messy bits, and then I'm going to show you a little bit of during. Didn't get footage completely of everything, just photos, but hopefully it'll give you the gist of how I work and where I situate everything. The room it's not a huge room. It's at the back of our house. It's an old lean-to sunroom, um, which when we first moved in, it leaked. So my husband redid the roof so that it's not the plastic um, glass that it was. It is now just a wooden um, ceiling and roof with some cladding on the top, and it works really just fine. And it's got lots of light because it's got patio doors at the front, and it just works brilliantly for me. And it's nice and light and airy, and I love it. So I've still got a few more tweaks to do on it, but I thought I'd share with you what I've done so far. So enjoy. I have sold my horn table. I was left with this mess because everything just stored in boxes behind it and it just wasn't working. So here's the Kallax unit, and I think you can see how great it is. Yeah, there's two Kallax units put together, and on the top, big piece of plywood which measures 1 meter 50 by 1 meter 12, which is great for a bolt of fabric or a roll. Through the process, I've gone through all my files, gone through absolutely every box. I have thrown away lots and lots of things, and it's really been quite a good spring clean session. Tidied the whole place up. I like everything to be white so that it's nice and bright.